guys, welcome back. Today I have something once again different. It's in a great big Amazon box, but it's not from Amazon. This is another craft box full of fun stuff that I picked up at a garage sale. This box was super cheap, and everything in it is made of wood. I cannot wait to show you. This whole box was less than $5. $5. Are you ready to see what's in it? I did have a sneak peek, but I can't wait to show you. I'm going to just rip the tape off again. It's not, oh my gosh, look at that shaking. Ready? Oh, you're going to love it. You guys are going to love it. I loved it. Let's open. Look at this. It is packed full of stuff. Like full. Like it's full. I cannot wait to show you. I like this piece. There's a couple others. I can't wait to show you. Let's get started. I don't know. Should I like dump the box or should I pull the box off? You know what? I'm going to look at in here. Look at everything that's in here. I think some of this was Dollar Tree. Some of it could be Michael's. I don't know. Someone's kitchen. I'm just going to move this box to right here, and we are going to pull one at a time. First things first. Oh my gosh. So this was, I'm assuming, Dollar Tree, 5 for $1.25, maybe? I don't know. But look at it. I don't know what you do with it. I don't know. You can't put a candle in it. You can't, could you put, watch my arm, sorry. You can put paint in it, I guess. Like what would you, maybe a tea light? I don't know. Oops, that one's stuck. But look at how cute. Like, I don't know. Maybe you just like acorn decor? Maybe? I don't know. But I want to paint it. I want to craft with it. There are, and this is how I know it's Dollar Tree, because this is a Dollar Tree tag. There are 2 of these. I mean, they're long and skinny, right? Like, let me show you against a Barbie. Here's a Barbie, and there's the wood. So it's like Barbie height, okay? 11.5 inches, because that's a Barbie height. I don't know, bookmarks. I guess you make a cute hanging sign. I don't know, but we got 2. I mean, how cute. We could make signs for the wall. We could make Barbie bunk beds. If we were to stack them one on top, we could, I'm going to use Skipper. Maybe make like stacking Barbie bunk beds? Maybe? I don't know. Maybe we could make Barbie signs. I don't know, but Skipper's a good fit. I love it. Oh, look, we can take our scrap ribbon and maybe do something. Oh, there's a stain on that piece of scrap ribbon. Maybe we could put some ribbon. I don't know. Make a cool book. Oh, we could go back to the Barbie Beach series and maybe make these into like lounge chairs. I do not know. But there is more. There is more. I've got, you ready for this? Halloween. So this is ghosts. And I guess they're just jack-o'-lanterns. And I don't know where I got ghosts. They're jack-o'-lanterns in like this little like coffin shape thing. And this one also says 5 for $1.25. So I'm assuming that these were bought at the same time, maybe in the fall. No, I guess they'd be on clearance from the fall, right? Because they're fall. I don't know. There's just so much. This is also Dollar Tree, and it's just like an oval sign. I don't know. We can make a whole bunch of cool things, but like all of this for $5, I think is a pretty good price. And then I got, these aren't wood, and I think they're old. You tell me. They're heart shapes, I think. They're heart shapes. And they're 2 different sizes, because this one's smaller than this one. So I don't know what you do with these. I really don't. Do you like glue them? They're almost like lace that's hard. I've never seen these at Dollar Tree. They do have a tag though. It says made in China. iWangs International. It's got a barcode, so it can't be too old. 40 years or less, I guess. I don't. Any ideas? In the comments, if you have ideas for those, please tell me. Please tell me. There is, oh, here's another one. This one is also from the Dollar Tree. It's a hanging decor sign. This one's cute. I do like the bumping edges on it. I don't know if that's the back. I guess this way. I don't know. Maybe we could do another welcome and good night for like Barbie. I don't know. Maybe we could turn it into a picture frame. I need ideas in the comments. You guys have got to help me out because there is just so much. There are 2 of like this, but they don't have string. I think this actually is this. Maybe a little, this is this, just a little bit smaller. And I think this is Dollar Tree as well because they look the same, right? And then there's this one, which is a different shape. I don't know. We got a lot of crafting ideas. We're going to have to come up with some real good ideas. Doesn't have to be doll related. I don't know. Like, oh, maybe this could be an American Girl coffee table if we put like legs underneath it. Like that. So it's like a coffee table. I mean, obviously not with this, but right? It could be a coffee table. That's something we could do. Okay, guys, I need in the comments ideas. Okay. This one came from Michaels. And this one is actually from 2021. And this is a Michaels brand, I think. I think this came from Michaels. Wooden ornament, $2.99. Doesn't actually say, but it does look like something from Michaels. Doesn't look like a dollar store tag. I think that's more of a Michaels tag. There's a little chip in the roof, but I mean, I don't know. Doghouse. Ooh, this doesn't have to be a Christmas ornament. We could paint this like a little doghouse and just like stick it on the side of Barbie's house so that it looks like it's Taffy's house. Ooh, that's something. Or maybe we could put a picture of a dog. That's an idea. There is more. Oh, yes, there is still more. I told you, this box is just giving. It is giving. This is, I don't know what this is. Oh, wooden rings, Art Minds. So this is a Michaels thing because this is Art Minds. That's a Michaels brand. That's why I think this is Michaels because you see the tags. This one's from 2020. This is from 2020. And I think those are the same type of, like those are the same labels, right? I think so. So these are wood key rings, not wood rings, wooden key rings. I don't know. We could make some pretty cool key rings. Ooh, like a big, a zipper pull. You could connect this to your luggage so you have a zipper pull, hang it off your purse. It doesn't have to be for your keys. There's just so much. All right, we are down now. These are all the small things. We are down now to the last 2 items. One of which is this thing that I'll show you properly after. But here's the one I am most excited about. Look at this. Look at this. This one came from Dollarama originally for $4. Look at it. It is, I don't know if there's, yeah, $4, I guess, from Dollarama. But it's brand new. It is tic-tac-toe for the coffee table. Now tell me, I need to know, would you, it says Dollarama right there and on the price tag. Oh, sidetracked. Would you leave it as the white and the black? Or would you paint it like pink and purple? I do know it's got to have some work because right here, can you see? If you start playing with it right out of the box, there's little slivers going to get splinters. So it does need, it's not something you can just immediately play with. I need to know now too, does Dollarama still sell this in the store? I remember seeing this a couple years ago, but do they still sell it? Like it's wrapped in plastic. This is brand new. I don't know if I want to do silver and gold with like, I don't know, a red or a green base, or if I want to do like pink and purple. What colors would you paint this? And now, our box is empty with the exception of this one last piece. I am just going to move some of these so that we have space to see. Look at all of this. Like, look at it all. There is just so, like, there's just so much. Like, that's a full box. It truly is a full box. Now, are you ready? Are you ready? I don't even know what this thing is. It's got lemons. So I'm assuming this would have been hanging in someone's kitchen. It does have a barcode, so it can't be too old. There is some real bad staining. And there is a thrift store or a discount store, I guess. Price tag of September 18th, 2021. Which tells me the contents of this box is a minimum of 4 years old because there was stuff in there from 2020. I don't know. But if you're in the market for garage sales, go to one that has a crafter. If you find craft supplies at the garage sales, like this is the second box from this, so cheap. I think if we cleaned it out, because it's kind of gross in there, maybe you hang your keys, because it's got these little hooks. So you can hang your keys. It does need to be repainted. Like, it's chipping there. What would you put in here? Like your mail? Put outgoing mail? Like what would go in this one? You can't put your change because it hangs on the wall. It's got one of these. See, it's got one of those. Like, I don't even know if it's hand painted because there's like texture here. But then this looks like a paintbrush. So did someone... I mean, they can't have repainted it. There's the barcode. Did they add the lemons themselves in this green? Because this part looks really DIY. Whereas this is like a solid... I don't see brush... Oh, I guess there are some brush strokes. I don't know. What do you think in the comments? What should we do with this lemon thing? I want to do something. I don't know if I want to necessarily hang my keys. Or maybe I put bigger hooks. Like, I don't know. I don't know what to put in here. So, guys, that means I need ideas. What should we paint this? My kitchen's not lemon, so... And I don't think I'd hang this in my kitchen. Maybe by my front door. What do you put in here? What would go in here originally? What do you think we should put in here? What's our color combination? I want to know for this and for the tic-tac-toe. And I also want to know, do you guys go to garage sales and find like cool little boxes of just craft stuff and stickers? And I have one of paper that we should go through. I got scrapbook paper. Maybe that'll be our next video. Again, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. And stay crafty and doll loving and everything. Bye, guys.